going, Mr. Halliday?
Actually, I don't know. We're going in the middle of nowhere.
We don't know where the hell we're going because we missed the train to where we wanted to go, but there we are.
We just grabbed one that's going somewhere close to it, kind of.
Yeah.
And that's all good.
So,
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, here we go. We're going to catch this train.
So this is
The air is hot and oh my god, I'm sweating. My back is hot. And I could be sitting in hot yoga.
It's great, isn't it? You buy a train ticket for less than you pay to go to hot yoga, but you get 7 hours of hot yoga included. Okay, so we're just pulling out of the main Bangkok station.
And what did you say? It was smooth as butter. Chicken.
Look at chicken fight. Chicken's probably chicken fighting.
Oh my god. Oh look. Oh my god.
It's just what you do.
Shit, look at the stain of it.
Yeah. Wherever there's a gap, hey, they just fill it up with some sort of industry.
They're pretty industrious, that's for sure, but I've got to tell you, the smell or something else.
It's great buy, eh? It's amazing.
Oh, no thank you. No thank you. Gotta learn how to say no thank you in Thai. How do you say no thank you in Thai?
I'm not sure. I probably knew once. But
oh, the state of it. Oh.
I haven't been here for 7 years. I only remember 2 things.
I know how to say kaori sa, but I don't even know what the hell that means. But I just know that wherever I go, that's what they say when we first walk in the door.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
It's like good day.
Oh,
check
it out. Bangkok. Woo-hoo.
Look at that. And there's a bloody thing there for Sky TV or something.
Oh my god.
But it's just
this is so interesting.
Look at that.
That must be a palace, that one.
It is fascinating, eh?
So there's little families living down there. Check it out, man. Oh, they're probably really happy. Hey. You got a scooter?
They're happy, smiley people. Though.
Yeah, they are happy, smiley people.
I mean, they call it, Thailand the land of smiles, and it's for a reason. Mostly people, no matter what they've got or not got, they kind of seem okay with it. They just sit around with their friends and just relax. Seen a kid.
Oh, there's a pig's head.
Yeah, that was a pig's head.
Oh.
Yeah, he's giving a scrub up in the old tub.
This is so interesting, isn't it? This is a good way to get...
It's just a different way to live.
Get to see it, isn't it?
I think that's fresh fruit, actually.
There's little bits of melon and pineapple. Yeah, so Colin's got a really good sneaky trick here. Because he's just saying how he didn't even notice the neighbour's bag's been taken and someone could easily take your bag. So what he's doing is he's clicking the straps around the... Yeah, see that? And then clicking them together so no one can just sort of pull them off because they're not going anywhere. Yeah, well, that's a good little travel tip. Oh, there it is, the big fat waterhead. We are about 2 hours into our 5-hour train ride. And it's just continued to get hotter and hotter. Colin is in a sauna with the blow dryer on.
Yeah, pretty much.
How are you doing, Colin? How are you?
I'm good.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.